Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you guys how I make baba krươngជាមួយសាច់ជ្រូក or rice porridge with 3-layer pork. Let's get started, guys. The first thing we need to do is boil our pork. This will take out all of the gaminess and strong flavor of the pork. After we boil the pork for about 30 minutes, we will put it aside and slice them up and get it ready for the actual soup. Now let's make our soup. In a pot of water, I will add in some garlic, which is about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. And I also will toss in about 4 to 5 slices of ginger. Since it's about 1 gallon of water, I will add in about 1 cup of rice. And I pre-clean the rice. And after that, you just stir everything together and wait till the water boil. And now that our water is a little bit boiling, we could add in our pre-cooked pork belly. The other ingredients that we would use is chow fun noodles. After our soup has been boiling for about 30 minutes, we could add our chow fun noodles. And for our condiments inside, we'll have some green onions, cilantro, fried garlics, and lemon, and fermented beans. Now let's season our rice porridge. And all we need is salt and chicken-based mix. For this big pot, I added about 3 to 4 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of chicken-based mix. And when after you taste it, if you need more seasoning, you could add more. Our rice porridge is done, guys. Now let's put it in a bowl. In my rice porridge, I always add some green onions and cilantro and fried garlic. And of course, the fermented beans. And you could always add in some extra meat. And if you like it spicy, add some chili. Rice porridge is such an easy, comforting, and satisfying meal. And for me, it makes me feel better when I'm feeling under the weather. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.